Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the Roblox app is updated and you are signed in. Open any game with shift lock support. Next, you enable touch controls and the virtual joystick in settings so you have camera and movement control. Then, you join a server and position yourself on a flat surface to avoid falling while you test. Once done, keep your thumb near the joystick and your other finger near the camera control so you can switch quickly. You now focus on turning on shift lock. Find the shift lock icon in the top right HUD or enable it in settings if hidden. Tap the icon and accept any camera permission prompts. The view should snap behind your character. While moving, tap shift lock to lock the camera and feel how movement becomes relative to camera orientation. Practice toggling quickly so you can aim or navigate precisely. This helps prevent disorientation during fast actions or fights. You finish by fine-tuning sensitivity and control. Go back to settings and tweak camera sensitivity until rotation feels natural. This reduces overshoot when aiming. Make small adjustments, test, and repeat until comfortable. If you prefer, enable alternate camera or control bindings the game offers to match your playstyle. If shift lock does not engage, restart the app, rejoin the server, and ensure the specific game allows shift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.